So what's up everybody, this is Atya and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to build an AMD budget oriented PC under 20 to 25,000. So before starting this video, go and hit the subscribe button because it really motivates me to make video for you, and do click on the like button if you like this video. So welcome back again to the video. So before starting, I want to give one important message that the price of this product would change, so don't curse me for that. But yes, it would stay under 20 to 25,000, and I would refer you that you should buy products from where you are getting more profit. I have given all the links in the description. These are the best links and at the best price. So let's start without any delay. So in our build, we are going to use an APU, which means combination of CPU and GPU. The APU we are using is AMD A8 7600 Kaveri quad core based processor with 3.8 GHz of speed and comes with 4 MB cache, and there are total 10 cores in which 4 are dedicated to CPU and 6 are dedicated to graphic cores. So with this component you have many upgrade options, and I will also be giving the gaming benchmarks in last of my video. So moving to the next component, a motherboard of Asus A6 HMK of FM2 plus socket of AMD. It supports DDR3 RAM up to 32 GB, which is good for our upgrade options. It comes with latest BIOS. And so moving on to the third component, the RAM of our PC would be HyperX Fury DDR3 RAM of speed up to 1866 MHz. I have given two options. Either you go with 4 GB RAM or two RAMs of 4 GB. I recommend this RAM because it is best for our build and also the quality. And don't go with single RAM of 8 GB, go with two RAMs of 4 GB. So moving on to the next component, for our power supply, I have given option between Foxin and Crosser power supply. The Foxin power supply would cost you around 1100 and Corsair would cost you around 2800. I would prefer you to go with the Corsair one because the quality of the supply and there are more upgrade options with this. You can also have Foxin power supply, but there would be less upgrade options in future. So I would highly recommend you to go with the Corsair supply, and if you are on a tight budget, then go on with Foxin power supply. These power supply unit offer you 450 watts. Moving to the storage, I have chose Western Digital Blue hard drive. In this also I have given two options, either go with 500 GB variant or go with 1 terabyte. It depends on you and your budget. So we are done with the PC. At last we just need to place our motherboard and PCU in cabinet. So cabinet, I have chosen Circle Gaming Cabinet CC A21 with 3 LED fans. I chose this cabinet because it supports any type of motherboard and graphic card. So there is lot of space for our components and for more upgrade options for you. And with that, we have built our PC under 20 to 25,000. So guys, if you want to build on a tight budget, then choose the first option, link in the description. These are the cheap than the second one, and those you can afford a graphic card or planning to buy in future, links for graphic card are given below. So moving to the benchmark, in this PC you can play game without any lag with some adjustment with settings. At average settings you can get FPS from more 20 to 50 FPS, so there are playable frame rates for a PC, and you can play old games without any compromise with settings. So these are some gaming benchmarks on the screen. at last I would say subscribe to get notified, and do like, share with your friends. Feel free to comment in the box and type the game which you like the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.